On top of the news, the president's 500 batting average for this year's midterm polls still indicate a majority of his Alianza coalition in the Senate's composition in the 20th Congress. And this augurs well for the president in pushing for his legislative agenda in the second half of his term. Our Kenneth Paciente on the president expressing satisfaction on the poll results and optimism in getting the work done moving forward.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. is satisfied with the initial results of the 2025 midterm elections. Communications Undersecretary and Palace Press Officer Attorney Claire Castro said this is because the senators elect in his Alianza coalition ticket are believed by the president to have dignity, personal convictions, and a genuine intention to serve the nation. And despite coming from different political parties, the president is hoping the newly elected candidates will work together to address the real needs of the people and not their interests.
So anumang kulay yan, wini-welcome po talaga ng Pangulo na makaisa ang bawat leaders natin para tugunan kung ano man ang problema at magbigyang solusyon ang pangangailangan ng mga kababayan natin.
The palace also said the administration is open to legitimate opposition that advocates for the welfare of the people, but will oppose obstructionists or critics who see nothing good in the government's programs and serve only the interests in their agenda.
Pag sinabi natin lehitimong oppositionist, ang ipinaglalaban nila ay ang bansa, ang interes ng taong bayan, hindi ang personal na interes. Obstructionist, walang gagawin, kundi manira, walang makikitang maganda sa ginagawa ng gobyerno, at ang sariling interes lamang ang gustong palagawin.
With 6 administration bets making it to the Magic 12 in the partial and unofficial tally of the recent elections, the palace remains confident given such proof that many Filipinos continue to trust and believe in the government.
Naniniwala pa rin po ang Pangulo na malaki pa rin po ang suporta ng taong bayan sa administrasyon sa ngayon. Tandaan po natin ang kahuli-hulihan pong survey ay nagpapakita po na mataas na trust rating po ng Pangulo.
When asked if the palace believes the result of the senatorial race would pave the way for impeachment against VP Sara, the palace responded that the president has never pushed for the vice president's impeachment.
Wala pong anumang balita patungkol sa pagpursu ng Pangulo sa impeachment or sa impeachment trial ni VP Sara. So yan po ay ating tinututulan at pinasisinungalingan po. Wala pong sinasabing anumang pagkumpiyansa na para mapatalsik o matanggal sa pwesto ang Vice Presidente.
Malacanang also denied the claims from the opposition the result of the senatorial race is part of the administration's political vendetta against them.
Tao po ang siyang humusga, tao po ang siyang bumoto. Igalang po natin ang mga napili ng mga kababayan po natin. Wala po itong refleksyon kung ano man po ang sinasabi patungkol sa mga Duterte.
From PTV Manila, Kenneth Paciente, Balitang Pambansa.